Hello, welcome back. I just walked in from church and I just wanted to first take a picture of my outfit because I really like it today. This morning I got dressed for church and I've had a lot of misses. I've had a lot of misses lately. But today I think I hit. I like it. I've not been feeling super comfortable, confident in just my style lately. And so there hasn't been a whole lot of sewing going on or anything like that. So after I left church, I went to Big Lots to look for some stuff for the garden because that's what I've been filling my days with. And this girl commented on my skirt and she asked me if I made it and I was like, yes. And then she has a program where she teaches young people about sewing and textiles and that sort of thing and asked if I was interested in teaching. I have taught sewing lessons before. I have done a few on YouTube. I was like, yeah, that's something that I would be interested in. I say all of that to say that if I had been in my sweats or just, not really feeling it today and just threw something on, that connection would not have happened. I don't know what will come of it, but it felt nice to be seen and acknowledged for the creativity that I want my clothes to speak before I speak. This morning when I got dressed, I was like, okay, what do I like about this outfit? I like that it's full and comfortable on the bottom. I love that it's interesting in color with the different prints. I have the skirt on. This is a top that I never wear. I rarely wear. But I was like, let me just put this purple with it. I don't know why. There's no purple in the skirt, but I did it. And then I was like, I need something else, something that doesn't match. And I threw the plaid around, which is another mix of print. Yellow and purple are complementary on the color wheel, so they do go together. And I've been wearing these red glasses because I broke my black glasses. It just felt a little disjointed every time I got dressed. I was like, and I got these red glasses that don't even go with anything. But because this outfit is doing so much, the red kind of fits in. And so I had been thinking for a long time, like, I just need to go through my closet and get rid of the things that don't serve me anymore. And so that's what we're going to do today. Let's go. Okay, so I have this dress made years ago and I haven't worn it in a long time. My issues with it, you can't really tell, but it's kind of it has a sheen to it. Like it's almost sticky, tacky. See how it kind of sticks to itself? And whatever that is, I believe makes it hot. So I'm probably not wearing this in the middle of the summer, maybe spring. I don't think I'm in love with the color, although I think it looks good on my skin tone, but I don't think I like it. I'm not a pink person, but sometimes there are things, events, people are like, where's something floral? Where's some pink? And then I have to like scramble to get something. So I feel like I should keep it. I was trying to do something interesting with the sleeve here. I now hate that and it's too tight. So I would remove that. And I've thought about cutting it shorter. I feel like I would get more wears if it was shorter. I would throw this on with some sneakers, like white sneakers. I really think it might make a decent swimsuit. So maybe I'll work on this. Maybe I'll cut this, remove the sleeves, and then see how it feels. This does not even fit anymore. It was tight when I made it. It no longer closes in the back. And I have never said, oh, let me put that on. I think I wore it once, maybe twice. That was at least 2 years ago. I think I'm just gonna sell this. Yep, put it on Etsy. I made this top and it felt like scrubs. But I feel like if I cut it, if I crop it and make like a really cute, like flirty skirt or shorts, like a high-waisted short. We'll do the floral dress this week and then we'll do this next week. Put in the comments if I should make a skirt or shorts or pants. What do you think? It's just a very simple top, cut low, and then we'll crop it and make a bottom to go with it. Let me know what you think I should make. next day because I got super busy last night. It's the first day of school. We were prepping all the supplies in the bag and all that stuff. And now, honestly, I don't know how long this is going to take me because I have a client with an emergency who's on her way right now. It is 9:30 a.m. She is leaving on a plane tonight at 7 and she needs something made. So that will be my focus after I get this pen. I'm going to work on this until she gets here and then we'll get back to it. So we're talking short, flirty dress. Now that that bow is gone, I feel like the armpit is fine. So for length, I'm thinking where this yellow flower is. That is about 2 inches below my finger. Am I right? 2 inches on the dot. When I tell you that girl is good. We're gonna cut it and then we'll see what we do with all the rest of this. I have it laid out flat and I'm pinning the seam at the waist together so that that doesn't move and shift. So I have, this is the waistline. There's a seam and I've pinned it. Here is the pin. I'm gonna measure from the waist to the pin. Pin hits about 16 inches. I'm gonna take the ruler all the way around. I'm gonna go from the waistline and mark 16 inches all the way around. Then I'm gonna cut where the pins are. And I think I'm gonna drop to 17 inches when I hit the side seam because my hips and my butt are going to cause it to lift up a little higher on the sides and the back. I might go 18. Got a little more butt than I used to have. 18. We'll keep it 18. Okay. It's cute. Add a little ruffle to the bottom of something. It just gives it weight. Let me get ready I'm gonna get ready now for this client. My client just left here. This is her fabric. She's leaving the country tonight at, 7, but she needs to be at the airport before then. So it is 10:30. And we're gonna see if we can get this done and into her hands by 1:30. Now back to my little dress. I ate lunch and I'm kind of tired. I don't really want to do anything. But I'm going to push through for you. I'm doing this for you. I am measuring at 2.5 inches and cutting. looks good out here. It's cute. I like it. I think I'll be wearing it more often. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment below. Let me know if I'm making shorts or a skirt, and I'm going to start on that tomorrow morning. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.